5 класс. Английский язык. Культурные места Лондона. Домашнее задание. Страница 111. English. Spotlight 5. Busy spots in London. Homework page 111. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 111. Carta corner. Busy spots in London. Exercise number 1. Look at the picture. Then read the first sentence of the text. Where is this place? Think of 3 questions about it. Read the whole text. Can you answer your questions? Busy spots in London. Посмотрите на картинку, затем прочитайте первое предложение текста. Где находится это место? Придумайте 3 вопроса о нем. Прочитайте весь текст, можете ответить на эти вопросы. Leicester Square is in London's West End. The square is famous for its cinemas. It's got 6 cinemas and there are more than 50 theatres nearby. One of the cinemas, the Odeon, has 1,700 seats. You can see premieres of new films in Leicester Square. In the middle of the square, there is a small park with a statue of William Shakespeare in it. There are also a lot of restaurants, cafes, and nightclubs in the square. They are especially busy on Friday and Saturday evenings. Leicester Square is well worth visiting, whether you are from London or a tourist. The answer: Leicester Square is in the West End of London. What is it famous for? The square is famous for its cinemas. What can you do there? You can see new films and have a meal or drink. Who is the statue of? There is a statue of William Shakespeare in small park. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose the correct word to complete gaps from 1 to 5. Listen and check. Выбери верное слово, чтобы заполнить пропуски от 1 до 5. Прослушайте и проверьте. The answer. We must do exercise number 3. Last summer, your friend visited London and went to Leicester Square. Ask him WH questions based on the text. Прошлым летом ваш друг посетил Лондон и был на Лестер-сквере. Расспросите его о площади, используя текст. Where's Leicester Square? In London's West End. What did you do there? I had a coffee in a cafe. The answer: It's famous for its cinemas. When do people usually go there? On Friday and Saturday evenings. Where is the statue of William Shakespeare? In a small park in the middle of the square. Did you see any film there? Yes, I did. I saw premiere of new action film in Odeon Cinema. How many cinemas are there? There are 6 cinemas. And how many theaters are there nearby? There are more than 50. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4, letter A. Read the grammar box. Must, mustn't. You must be quiet in here. You mustn't touch the paintings. Вы должны быть тише здесь. Вы не должны трогать картины. Прочитайте грамматический блок. You must be quiet. Вы должны быть тише. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Look at the museum notes and complete the rules with must or mustn't. Посмотрите на музейное объявление и закончи правила словами must или mustn't. Должен или не должен. The answer. You mustn't touch the statues. You must pay at the door. Children must be with an adult. You mustn't eat or drink. You must leave by 5 o'clock. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Collect information and pictures about a famous place in a big city of your country that you visited not long ago. You can do some research on the internet using these key words. Famous wonders, what? Write a short text for tourists. Собери информацию и картинки об известном месте в большом городе твоей страны, который ты посетил недавно. Ты можешь провести небольшое исследование с помощью интернета, используя ключевые слова «знаменитое чудо мир». Напиши небольшой текст для туристов. Напиши название, местоположение, чем знаменито это место, что можно там делать и что можно посмотреть, что ты там делал и увидел. Расскажи класс. The answer. Red Square. Red Square is one of the most famous Russia's places of interest. It is located right in the heart of Moscow. Many significant buildings surround Red Square. There is the Kremlin, Lenin's Mausoleum, Saint Basil's Cathedral, GUM, Trading House, and Kazan Cathedral there. Red Square is the place where a lot of festivals are celebrated. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.